This is the exciting thing that we got. I was eyeing for this one for a long time here in America, and we got it there in Paris. It's for the home. Ta-da! Ta-da! It's pepper and salt shakers. It's called
Peugeot.
Peugeot. There we go. Ta-da! So we have one for the pepper. And it's real wood, so which is nice because it's gonna go with the aesthetic that we're looking for the house. So this one is for the pepper with the P on top. It's Peugeot. Ah, exciting! Yay! It's gonna go there, as you can see. Right, so yeah, so this is the unboxing for today. You like it? Comment below. Bye.